What's happening, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been meaning getting around to doing these types of videos for a long time. I always get asked about my advice on the financial markets and what you can do to make money online, and I just never had the time to get around to it. As of late, I've freed up some time, and it's something that I wanted to do. I want to share my knowledge with other people. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of questions about cryptocurrency lately and how you can get involved on the trading platforms and how you can set it up and what you should do. This video is not about what you should do. This is about how you can get involved at an easy level, something that's very beginner, doesn't cost you a bomb to get in either. So the app that we're going to use on our smartphone is going to be a very familiar app which I think most people know about or have heard about or currently use on a day-to-day basis, and that is Revolut. So Revolut is a fantastic app, and it allows you to be able to use your cash balances as a wallet on your phone, be able to swap that cash balance into a stock trading account, which allows you to trade stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. In cryptocurrency, it lists just 10 cryptos, 10 coins, but it lists 6 of the 10 major players in the crypto space as it stands. It's free to use. You can set up the app, get involved, put your money into the markets, and it only charges you when you're withdrawing your cash. The fee is 1.8%, which I think is really good compared to Coinbase is 5% and other markets which can be between 3 and 5% depending what you're drawing out. Really good numbers, and it's very easy to use too. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into smartphone and show you how you can start trading online using Revolut. So now let's go over to the Revolut app. So from here we're going to look at the cash balance, which I have topped up to €200. And we're going to focus on getting ourselves into the stock trading menu, which is located right beside the blue R at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, which is like a little chart with arrow pointing up. So let's select that. From here, we're going to be given 3 options to trade in. We're not looking at stocks or commodities here. We're focusing mainly on crypto. So let's go there, which you can see I have open already because I use it that much. But I have an available balance already here of €2,200 in my day trading account here. And what we have is 2 options in front of us, which is to invest or recurring buys. Now, recurring buys basically allows you to set up like a direct debit from when your wages clear on a weekly basis. You can have money wired across to this account and set ongoing buys into your desired crypto. But that's an entire video in itself, so let's not confuse things and focus on our single market order, and we can click the invest button right now. So from this page, we can see that there's a lot of cryptos going on, and you can notice at the bottom, there's a blue text which says discover all cryptos. And if we click on that, it's going to show us all 10 listings that are here on this listing, on this exchange on Revolut. Now, what we have is 6 of the top 10, which is Stellar, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Now, the market is dumped slightly today, so you can see that the right hand side column, you can see the price of the coin and also what the 24-hour window is and statistics on that particular coin. On the left hand side, you can see the name of the cryptocurrency and also its ticker. Its ticker is the abbreviated version or the shortened version of the name of the cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin, I feel, is something that's going to move, and let's click on that and see where that brings us. So the strategy we're going to buy here with is buying on the dip. I always like to buy on the dip and try sell on the high. That's how you're going to maintain optimal profits, and it's important to take your profits. So what we can see in this window is a chart which represents how the overall 24-hour performance of that product has done today, of that cryptocurrency, how it's performed over the last 24 hours. Now, the time frames are 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. So you can see overall we are right at the peak of the overall performance of Bitcoin. So it's a volatile time to buy in, and obviously people who got in before this are doing quite well if they have accumulated their wealth. So what we're looking to do in this particular video is buy. So we're going to click on the buy button right here, and that's going to bring us into these 2 options. Now, we've already explained the recurring order. For this particular order, we're looking to make a market order, which is essentially saying that we want to buy at market value from the exchange. When we go into this tab here, we can see that Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin in the middle, B1, is at €30 or 30,000
$30,018. So $30,018.85 can buy you one Bitcoin. Now we have an available balance of €200 in this account. That means that you can still shop your Bitcoin. See, the way Bitcoin works, or the way cryptocurrency works in general, is through decimal places. So you can buy up to 8 decimal places of any currency. These decimal places are known as Satoshi points, named after its founder, Satoshi Nakamoto, which is a guy of legend who magically disappeared after Bitcoin was created. So what we can do here, we can buy any amount of cryptocurrency. You can see that €1 equates to 0.00003 of a Bitcoin. So what we're looking to do here is place a market order. We're going to put in at €100, and that's going to show us that we can buy for €100 0.0032811 of a Bitcoin. And if we select buy now, boom, you have bought €100 worth of Bitcoin. And if we go back out to our cash balance right here to show our wallet, you'll see that, as you've seen right there, my cash wallet has been topped up by €100. So from what I've heard and what I've understood with people who are afraid of investing in cryptocurrency, is they have this belief that it's easy to get into Bitcoin, it's easy to get into trading cryptocurrency, but it's hard to get out. So they think it's a scam and they don't quite understand it, so they stop investing, and they miss the possibility of the massive upsides that can be gained from trading in cryptocurrency. So you've seen I've just updated this account with €100, and you can see that the balance is now flickering along here from €2,308.64. That can go up or down depending on how the market is reacting. But let's say I want to sell off some cryptocurrency. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the Bitcoin, and I'm going to move to sell in this window, and I'm going to sell some Bitcoin and update my cash balance. So it's roughly about that. I can maybe scale it down a small bit, and I had €100 going in. So let's say I wanted to do 5. Yeah. So that's roughly €100, and it's going to sell it right now with a fee of €1.50, which is roughly about 1.8%. That's normally what Revolut will charge you. So I'm going to sell right now, and boom, just like that, I'm after withdrawing 98.74 cents, and you can see instantly my wallet balance goes down. And if I check out my cash account, which was at €200, I took €100 out and bought some Bitcoin. I've now updated with 98.74 cents. That is available in my Revolut account right now, and I can use that by tapping my phone or using my Revolut card, and I can withdraw that cash. So that is how easy it is to buy and sell cryptocurrency using Revolut.
So that is how you can get involved in the cryptocurrency space inside the financial markets by using your Revolut app on your smartphone, anytime, any place. Of course, it takes some time to learn, to analyze the markets. So you're going to need to go and look at your charts, study some trends and some patterns, and then start making some speculations and risk some of your own cash. So that is the important word I want to put into that you are risking cash. That putting money out there doesn't mean money is always going to come back or money is always going to multiply. But if you do enough research, if you look at enough trends, if you do enough studying, there's some great trading charts you can look at and start risking your cash and ultimately look to get those gains. So I hope this video was beneficial. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe below and ring the bell so you get notifications every time we post, and I hope to see you in the next one.